morning. Hi, Saints. Welcome back to Eclectic Home Designs YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. I'm happy that you're here. I'm sorry. Just want to tell you guys sorry because my glasses just broke on me. So I'm waiting for new glasses to come in. So forgive me. But anyways, you're not here for that, so I apologize. So I have my notes here with me. I'm excited about this video because in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3 steps to create your very own eclectic home designs. But before we can actually go into the magical steps of how to create an eclectic home design, I want to first talk to you about your design style. The first thing you need to know before you can actually create an eclectic home is you need to know your design style. And in interior design, we do groupings of 3. So for eclectic interior design, I do groupings of 3 as well, 3 different design styles. And I put those together and then I curate a space for them, for those designs. So anyhow, the first thing you want to do is you want to, if you don't know what your design style is, or if you don't know what you like, or maybe you do know what you like, but you don't know what the design style is called, I would recommend doing a Google search and also going on Pinterest and just looking at different design styles and seeing what design that you like and what style that you like. And that way, I would recommend writing them down, and maybe you come up with 5 or you come up with 6 different design styles that you actually like. What I want you to do is take your time with the list that you created and then go back to that list and just narrow it down to 3 design styles. And from those 3 design styles, then you can create an eclectic home design. And once you know your design styles and you've picked them out, now we can go ahead and we can give you the recipe to create a magical eclectic home. So the first step that you want to do when you're creating an eclectic home design, after you have figured out your design style, is you want to look at paint colors, different colors. If you already have a color on the wall that you like, but you just want to, you want to use that color to create your eclectic space, that's fine. But bold colors are absolutely gorgeous in eclectic design spaces. Not only do they bring out the wall colors, but they also bring out the different elements and the different textures and patterns that you actually have going on in that particular room. So that's the first step, is bold colors. And there's so many different types of colors. Now I recommend getting Benjamin Moore. That's the color that I use. That's the color paint color brand that I use, excuse me. So I recommend getting Benjamin Moore. But whatever paint color company that you actually use and like, and that you prefer to use and like, from them, just go ahead and pick out a bold color, a nice bold color. And hopefully I've inserted some pictures in here that will help you guys see what an eclectic space look like with colors, with patterns, and with curated style. Okay, and the next step is step number 2. So for step number 1, pick out some bold paint colors. Step number 2, you want to mix and match patterns. You can have a polka dot pillowcase on your bed with some stripes on your window. So you just want to mix and match different patterns, different fabrics, different throw pillows. You just want to mix and match all your different patterns, and that's going to make the room pop. So when you have that bold color on the walls and you have these mix and matching of patterns, whether it be your sofa is a stripe and you have some polka dot pillows or pillowcases, it doesn't matter. You just want to mix and match patterns, but there's a science to do an eclectic design. It's a pure science. So you have to just make sure that the mixing and matching of patterns, they complement each other. And that's the thing. You want to make sure they complement each other and the color grouping and stuff all go together, in that eclectic space. Okay? And the third thing that you want to do is you want to personalize your space. let's say you go on a trip to, I don't know, Dubai or Turkey or I don't know, anywhere. And you come back with different types of little statues or statuettes, and you don't know where to put them, or you put them away in a box or something. No, take those different little pieces and put it as part of your decor. I mean, for me, I'll insert some pictures. For me, I'll go to the thrift store. As you guys already know, I love the thrift store. I go to the thrift store, and that's where I find the most unique pieces. You know, whether it be a unique statue that maybe it was from the 80s, or maybe it was just from a couple days ago, whatever it may be. But I take personal pieces and I use them to decorate, to make it my own. And that's like the icing on the cake in eclectic home design, is being able to take your personal pieces and making it part of your interior, you know? I know I see I watch YouTube a lot, and I see a lot of YouTube videos of people's homes and stuff, and even influencers' homes, and everybody's home is white couch, white walls, white with some pampas tree, and that's what their house looks like. But I can almost guarantee you that they're much more than just white walls, white couch, and some pampas grass on a vase. They're more than that. They probably have a lot of wonderful pieces in their house, or hiding away somewhere, that they're not putting up or they're not using as decor. And on an eclectic home, the wonderful thing about having an eclectic home is that it's unique. It's your own. No two-person has the same eclectic home. It's eclectic. It represents who you are. And your home has to represent who you are. And if you're interested in creating an eclectic home design space, those 3 tips are going to help you. But first, like I said, you got to know your design style, and you got to know your design styles, because you're going to end up picking 3 different design styles, and you're going to use those design styles that you've chosen, and you're going to use them to create that eclectic home. So again, I don't want to make this video too long, but again, first thing you want to do is you want to embrace color. You want to mix and match patterns, and number 3, you want to curate your space. You want to personalize your space. So anyhow, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was sitting yesterday in my office trying to figure out how I was going to deliver this message to you, or how I was going to tell you about the 3 steps. I kept coming up with different ideas. So I just turned on the camera and said, you know what, I'm just going to record this and just record it, and hopefully it will help somebody be able to create their own eclectic home design style. Now, if you're still not able to put everything together, or you're not sure if you put everything together, I'm an interior designer locally, and I'm an interior designer not just locally, but I also do virtual work. So check out my website, it's in the description, and contact me. I'll be happy to help you. Anyways, I'm happy that you guys were here to watch this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.